the camera.
I just did.
Face.
I just told the camera something in your face.
And we're live from New York. It's Saturday night.
No, it's not. It's Sunday.
Kimberly Camera. Georgie Mick. Lucas Gabriel. Troy Bolden. Gabriella Montes. Amy Bowler. George Clooney. And your host, the Olsen twins. And your music band, the Soda Cop.
The president of the
And we're here.
I gotta tell you,
The world has changed a lot these days.
Adios.
Amigos.